Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi guys, this is Ian. Welcome back to another vlog. Firstly, I already have a microphone, so it's gonna be a really good audio. I was so excited to use it. This is the first time. Well, anyway, story time. 2 months ago, I was supposed to fly to Punta Cana. It's an island in Dominican Republic with my friend who is based in Toronto, but I was not able to do so, guys, because my dog Lucas was hospitalized for a week, and so. Sorry. Mumadali ako kasi nandito na yung Uber ko. Well, anyway, I was not able to do so, of course, because I had to take care of Lucas. But my friend, tinuloy niya yung lakad, mag-isa lang siya. And I felt so guilty about that. So today, come with me as I fly to Toronto. We will be there for 4 days. Babawi tayo sa kanya. So, come on, let's go! Hi guys, so I am already at the airport, but I will have a quick breakfast, guys. Favorite ko to, Brugger's Bagels. So, I don't know if I pronounce it right, but yeah, that's it. And of course, coffee, caramel macchiato. Okay, hi guys, so I just arrived Toronto. It was a good 2-hour flight, guys. Nakatulog din ako. Now, and tapos na din ako sa immigration. I am heading to the car rental kasi kumuha ako ng car rental, guys. Pero hinahanap ko siya. So, tsaka, medyo maliit lang naman yung airport nila dito. So, it's just gonna be fine. Hi guys! I am finally in Toronto and I have just arrived at my hotel. But again, story time tayo, guys. My first few hours was a disaster. Okay? So I arrived at the airport. I was supposed to pick up my car rental. I did not know that they were off-site. So that means nahahanapin ko sila outside the airport, obviously. So nag-train pa ako. I needed to take the train. I needed to take the shuttle to their office. But long story short, 2 kilometers away, fine. I was able to locate them and all that. The person I spoke with from their end was very rude. She was very rude on the phone, and I go like, please don't be rude next time. I'm just asking for direction. It was not so clear to me and you didn't give instructions, okay? And so I didn't do my research as well, guys. So it was all my fault. Hindi ako nag-research kung ano yung reviews ng car rental and all that. I just booked it through Expedia and they were not really cheap actually. So I was thinking, okay to kasi medyo pricey siya, so okay siya, right? So pagdating doon, they were asking for a $1,000 deposit. So mind you guys, I already have a lot of experiences when it comes to car rentals. Kasi I would always do this, especially if I'm traveling solo. If you know me, I'm so dumb with transit, direction, geography. Bobo talaga ako doon. So I have to always ask them in order for me to work my way around wherever I'm traveling, right? Okay, so when I got there, guys, they were asking me, as I said, 1,000 deposit, which to me is already a red flag. Kasi bakit? Para do sa collision and ganito ganyan. Sabi ko, why would you collect money from me or deposit from me when in fact I already have a policy? It does not make sense to me. So that's one red flag already. And on top of that, guys, they were charging me extra $12 per day para daw sa ganito, sa ganyan, which hindi ko na actually inabsorb, dinigest, because I was really, really worried na parang sabi ko, ipupursue ko ba to if ganito yung situation na hindi pa nga nakuha yung car, madami ng hidden charges, right? So what I did, chinek ko yung reviews nila, guys, and I found out na they were just 1-star review. Sabi ko, oh my God, 1-star lang pala sila, which I've never thought they were kasi so expensive din yung service nila. So, right, anong ginawa ko? Right there and then, I canceled them. It was a risk-free booking, so they couldn't charge me anything from that. So, kinancel ko sila. I got my money back. Also, nakuha ko din yung policy na binili ko, which was also $50. Wala silang na pera sa akin, guys. I'm so glad that I trusted my gut na, parang may mali. Teka lang, parang may mali. So, hindi nila ako nautakan. So, I booked an Uber from there to my hotel. And ngayon, eto, magre-rest ako. I will wait for my friend because as I said earlier, he's working until 7:30 p.m. And then we'll have dinner maybe and go around Toronto. It was raining a little bit when I arrived, but now medyo gloomy siya, but at least it's not raining anymore. So tomorrow, maghahanap kami ng car rental, guys, and hopefully we will be able to drive around the city and also drive sa mga neighboring areas kasi I like to visit small towns. I like urban travel, but also at the same time, I like visiting old towns like coffees, bookshops, although I don't read as well. Pero gusto so ko guys, lang. If you want to know what rental company I was talking about, just send me a message, okay? And I will tell you na ito ang dapat iwasan nyo. Well, anyway, so as what I mentioned earlier, I will wait for my friend until 7:30 p.m. We'll have dinner and go drive around the area. And also, I want to visit small towns. That's why I wanted to have a car rental. Kasi I want to visit like towns around the area, and I will also visit my friend who is living an hour or so away from here, from the city area. So, yeah, yun lang. Paano ba? I think I will just upload this video and then I will start a new and fresh one tomorrow. And I will see you again tomorrow, guys. Bye!
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.